Hey, Dr. Dan Purser here, danpursermd.com. I'm in Nassau, the Bahamas, and on a Disney cruise. I just spoke to a bunch of doctors about MTHFR. One of the things that came up, they wanted me to explain the difference between MTHFR Support Plus and MTHFR Support. MTHFR Support was the original MTHFR Support product we developed. It was designed based on nearly 1,000 SpectraCell results we had on intracellular vitamin and mineral levels on what we call virgin MTHFR clients or patients. These patients were taking no supplementation. What we saw was what was there. They all had similar type results. I think it was 7 or 8 consistent deficiencies they had. So that's how we designed MTHFR Support. The plus is really, I argued with my family who helped me run my business and stuff that we wanted to call it the minus, MTHFR Support minus, because it actually has less methyl groups. Instead of quattrofolate, which has 4 artificial methyl groups added to it, because people with MTHFR need a lot of methylation help, it has folinic acid in it, the most natural form of folate, with no methyl groups added to it. So it actually has 4 less methyl groups. It's easier to take, especially for people with A1298C and people who are like, I feel really good on the MTHFR Support. I'm probably about 70% there. They'll add 1 or 2 of the MTHFR Support Plus a day to their program, and they get the rest of the way there. They have great energy, great mental clarity. They feel really good. They feel really positive, upbeat, solid. You know how you feel when you're dialed in. Anyway, that's how you do it. You might try them instead of the support. Try the plus instead, or try them together. That seems to work out best for most. Give it a whirl, play with it, can't hurt to try it. This is Dr. Dan Purser from the Nassau, Bahamas. God bless and go in good health. Whoa.